Hi Alfred, I just saw your message and I sent you a Zoom link, but I'm guessing you've not seen it, so don't worry. I'm just going to record it on here because I'm not free after school. I've got meetings after school as well. So this is the topic, the history topic that we've started. The website is here. To be honest, I don't think you really need the website for this lesson, so don't worry about that and logging onto that for now. You need the Google Doc and you need this discovery sheet. So this whole unit is about change and how people's perspectives change over time in history when they discover new things, maybe when they move or when they get moved. So we just started talking about new discoveries, and you had to think for this starter activity about any discovery at all that you can think of that's happened, whether it's the discovery of fire and its impact. Some people talked about paper and the impact that had. Some people talked about electricity. So it can be any new discoveries or inventions that have happened over time and the impact that you think that had. And then this task, we started it in a group, but then yesterday I just got people to finish this off by themselves. So it says to read through the information sheet, and there's a hyperlink here. And this gives you 6 important historical discoveries. So you can see it goes through each of them. There we go. So it's basically 1 per page. And you need to read about the discovery. So read about the flight, for example, and just give a very brief summary. So who did the first flight? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Why it was important. Do that for each of the 6 things, each of the 6 discoveries. So these don't need to be very long at all. They can just be little bullet point summaries. Because the whole point of this is that once you've read everything, you need to put those discoveries in order of importance. So which discovery would you put at the top as the most important out of all 6 and call that one number 1? The second most important one, in your opinion, is number 2. The third most important one is number 3, and so on, all the way down to number 6. So you put that in here. And then the last bit, if you've got time, so I think it's most important that you do that first page, really. If you've got time, you can have a go at doing these sentences and just completing them. So the most important discovery was, and why you think that was most important. And then also having a go at putting them on this kind of, what is it, a thought line, I guess, from were the discoveries extremely positive ones or extremely negative ones? Okay, so where would you put things? So for example, the atom bomb, some people might think that was actually a very negative thing because ultimately it caused a lot of destruction. Other people might have slightly different views. So you can just kind of move them along and drop them where you think they should go, with very negative being down this end and very positive being up this end. And then the last little bit is thinking about whether or not people's attitudes to these discoveries might have changed. So a lot of these happened a long time ago, these discoveries. So have people's perspectives and the way they think about these discoveries changed over time? So if you think that people's approach to the atom bomb might have changed, then say why. Or if you think that people's perspective on the moon landing has changed in recent years and why, you can give me an idea. Okay. But like I say, most of this we would do as a little discussion. So I think the important bit is doing the first page so that when we come into class next time, we can kind of have this as a discussion all together. So I hope that helps. I'll send you this as a little recording clip and let me know if it still doesn't make sense.